Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Small Life Philippines. It's Friday afternoon. We're here in SM Clark to meet our friend Ali from Qatar Airways.
Yes, yeah, from Qatar Airways pilot. Not easy to park today in SM. Inside parking is full, so we go into metal parking. And now parking in the SM, inside the SM, already have 30 peso, not 20 peso. I want to check how much now parking in metal parking is near hypermarket. So you can see now. This is parking. Before always 20 peso, but now I don't know. I will check first. Long time I not park here. Shaira today not work already. Won't sleep. Shaira, you won't sleep?
Just it's not enough.
Not enough sleep.
Because for how many days? Maybe in 1 week I have only 1 day.
And today you not work and tomorrow.
Yes, it's my first time to have second time
Okay.
or 2 time. So we're going to second floor right now because here in the first floor don't have space. And also it's Friday, that's why not enough space.
But we
Most
have
of
space.
people are going to SM.
Have so many space here.
But we're going
Okay, you choose Shaira. Where better?
near.
Near. You
Yes.
don't want walk. Okay, near is okay, yes.
Of course.
Okay. Okay, let's go. This way. We just park car in the parking the same 30 peso. So now everywhere in the same 30 peso parking. It's okay, not big money. No, many people can park free because have parking, free parking, but of course don't have space now. This is metal parking. Shaira won't sleep. But why so many makeup, Shaira? I said to you not need so many makeup. Huh? Okay, up to you. Good weather now, daytime. Maybe evening rain. Shaira, but last night have rain or not? So daytime good weather. Nighttime rain in the Philippines.
Daytime don't have, but night have heavy rain.
It's good. I like if have rain and sun. It's good. But in your work, you not use vape. I know. Okay.
Tapos makita mo yung Parsia Icab 6.
Okay. Friday, Sam. Many people, but I think evening more people.
More people
Later, because many people at work now. Makimura, it's new, Shaira. New, I don't know. McDonald's. Many people in McDonald's always. Shaira may be hungry. If Shaira so fasta, it means Shaira hungry, yes? Huh? I know. If you're so fasta, you won't run, you hungry.
It's only two.
What two? Okay, say.
I want to go CR or I want to eat.
Now you won't go to eat.
Eat.
Okay. But where Ali? Oh no.
In espresso.
Espresso. Maybe he drink coffee. But Cinnabon also good. Oh, so many people. Even now 140, but many. Yeah. Ali. Ali drink maybe vodka. Hi Ali. Ali, it's vodka. I think you look like you drink vodka. Hi. We again in Japanese restaurant. Shaira, what you want? Gyudon? Gyudon. For me, teriyaki. This one. Yes, we prepare for you. This is gyudon. This is spicy, red, spicy.
Ginger.
Okay. You want cola? Okay, okay. And one iced tea. No ice. No ice. Tea water. One only. For me? Okay.
Hello.
Hello. I want to show hotel. Hotel room. Xenia Hotel. And this is apartment в Xenia, near Xenia Hotel apartment. Many Korean people live in this apartment. This is Korean hotel. Good. One bedroom. Two bedroom or one bedroom? One bedroom. One bedroom. CR. A little take from the...
Sorry, I took one, okay?
No, it's yours already.
No, yours, I don't need it.
what is this, Ali?
Wait.
Yeah,
you like
yes,
that one?
yes, it's good. Mhm.
You like that one?
Arabian delicious.
I will try.
Yeah, very good. And this one,
Ah.
This,
But I like-
this is beautiful.
this.
This also.
So many Arabian delicious.
Ah. I will take picture.
Chara, give me 5 pesos for charge for the back. It's a joke, huh? 5 pesos for bags?
Oh, you're Filipino.
How did you know?
Of course.
I never try this one. I want with nuts.
This with nuts.
No, same.
Be careful.
You see, already open Kuya Korea. Shaira, how to translate Kuya Korea?
Kuya, it means older brother. Oppa, it means
Older brother Korea.
like
Okay.
Oppa in Korea.
Okay. We're going outside to parking. Already don't have rain.